Hey, yo. So you want me to show you? You ready for me to show you? And this is why I don't want you to stay on my pillow. Look at all that drool you got on your arm.
Romeo, I'm not.